All right, so this is my 2022 Ride1Up 350 watt electric hub motor bike, single speed, with a Gates carbon drive, 63 in the front, 22 in the rear. Now it came as is, except for I put in new wider bars on it. It came with 550 millimeter. I put some 720, so I gained 170 millimeters. I put on some Fuker pedals instead of the Welgos that came. And the grips also have the little horns on the side so that you can get different comfort rides. It does have the SW102 display, which I like. Easily configurable to class 1. Now this says it's a class 3 because it could go up to 24 miles an hour. Just pedaling on the flats, I'm getting assist up to about 22. So it's more like a class 1 rather than a class 3, but it is stated as a class 3. And it comes with these Continental Terra Trails, tubeless ready. I'm going to set them up tubeless today and see how they hold once the Schrader tubeless valves arrive. Only thing changed is the handlebars, the 90 millimeter stem instead of the 60 millimeter that came with the 25 millimeter handle, 550 millimeter handlebars. The Tektro brakes, Aries, A-R-I-E-S, they work pretty well. There's not I don't feel any cutoff, so I don't think there's a cutoff on the brakes. That's the only thing that I usually profess is to make sure you have the cutoffs so that when you're riding you can cut the motor off. But this is strictly pedal assist. There is no throttle, and the 160 millimeter dual pot brakes. These are mechanical disc brakes from Tektro. Now the neat go fast item is on the left brake lever there is a built-in bell. It comes with the Zoom 30.4 millimeter seat post and a comfort seat. Very, very well designed. You can do an external battery they sell for $375. That'll mount on the water bottle brackets. But you can buy a second down tube battery for $240. And you could probably put that in your backpack and carry it if you needed to get extra range and save yourself $135. But overall, really nice to ride. I rode it 25 miles on its maiden voyage. Really easily handled it. Rarely went above pedal assist 1 and would often drop it down to 0 or off on the flats because you got your momentum. You just keep pedaling, and that Gates carbon is so quiet. Really nice. Kept up with the group riding 12 to 14 miles an hour. I was averaging probably 13 to 16 miles an hour. Now, going up a hill, I do put it in pedal assist 5 because here in the Portland, Vancouver area, we have large hills. Elevation climb of sometimes 400 or 500 feet easily in the cities. So, not really a great hill bike because it's only a single speed, but does if you get up out of the saddle and start pumping, you will make it up the hill. It will give you the power you need to get up there at 350 watts. All right, this is E-Bike Mike saying like and subscribe and hit the notification so that you can see more not only on this Ride1Up, but I have a rad mission coming.